Hello, my fans. No, hello, my people. Welcome back to the YouTube channel once again. This is Mr. J Graphics Tutorial, and my name is Justice Emmanuel Aqua. Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you, we are going to create a logo, a very simple rounded logo. And please, this before we start creating, do me a favor, subscribe. If you're new on my channel, please do subscribe. Please subscribe. And I've noticed that a lot of people have subscribed to the channel, but they have not turned on the notification bell. Please do me a favor, turn on the bell. Please do me a favor, I'm waiting. Subscribe, turn on the bell, I'm waiting for you. Okay, thank you so much, my people, for subscribing and hitting on the bell. Turn on the bell and click all. Once you turn on the bell, there's options, choose all. Okay, once the options appear, choose all. Okay, so with enough of the long talk, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going for my Eclipse. In Photoshop, we call it Eclipse tool, though it's a circle, but in Photoshop language, it's called Eclipse tool. So let's click on the Eclipse tool. Now I'm going to draw the circle in between. Alright. Okay, so before that, let me show you one thing. If you want to, this is ruler. Okay, I divided the shape into ruler. Now let me show you. Now I cannot see my ruler here. My ruler is supposed to be here. I am not seeing it. So I want to see my ruler. Before I can see that, hold Control key and press R, letter R on your keyboard. Now I can see my ruler dimensions right here. Okay, let's press Control R again. It's gone. Press Control R. It's back. So this the way, if you want to bring back, if your Photoshop you cannot see your ruler guide dimensions, just click Control plus R on your keyboard and your ruler dimensions will appear. Okay, now enough, let's go. So I'm going to divide my shape. All right, I can do it very simple like this and this.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now this is in a center circle. I mean, it's in the middle of the page or in the middle of the document. But I want this to be simple. If you do it this way, it might not look I don't know how to put it, but if you do it this way, it might not look like the exact dimension that you are looking for. So to get the best, the enough or the good dimension, what you have to do is click on this view here, the view, click it, come down to new guide, click on the new guide. You can see horizontal, this is orientation, horizontal and vertical. Okay, now click on the vertical, either any of them, click. So I'm going to start with the vertical, press, just type 50 and then add the percentage. Hold your shift and press the percentage on your keyboard, just press enter. Then here you go. Use the same process, go back to view, click on new guide. Now this time we are clicking on the horizontal type 50 and you add your percent symbol,
Music
press
licensing
either
reimagined.
enter or you just click on OK. Here you go. Now we are going to start our design. So just go for the ellipse or the circle tool and then draw. Hold your shift. If you want the circle dimensions to be equal, all right, if you want the shape to be in an equal size or equal shape, you will have to hold your shift and add your alt key. Okay, add your alt key. So let me show you how it's going to be like.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what you have to do is make sure you hold the shift key first, okay? Then try to draw, hold your shift key first before you add the alt key.
Artlist.io.
So after holding your shift key, when you hold the shift key, draw, like try to click, try like you are trying to click the mouse before
Music licensing reimagined.
you hold on alt key. All right, don't hold them together. Once you hold the shift, try to click and drag the mouse pointer before you hold the alt key, and you're going to get the shape you're going to get. Now I have
Artlist.io.
equal same size. Now I have the same size right here. All right, now let me draw.
Artlist.io.
I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate the shape. So I'm going to duplicate the shape. So what I'm going to do is
Reimagined.
hold control and then click letter J on your keyboard, and you are going to duplicate it. Now because it's both of them are having the same color because of the duplication, so you have to change the color to see the difference. All right, so I'm going to reduce the first one like this, and after reducing it, I'm going to change the color. Just double click on this thumbnail right here, this
Music licensing
box,
reimagined.
or this Photoshop call it thumbnail. All right, just double click and then select the color of your choice, right, like this. Okay, because the background is white, so let me make it kind of a yellowish,
Artlist.io.
Should I make it black? Let's maintain the white. It's okay, let's maintain the white. Now
Artlist.io.
okay, so I'm going to duplicate this one again. So sometimes if you want to duplicate, you can just click and drag on top of this layer icon here,
Music
and
licensing
that will also give you a duplication. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size a little bit like this. And now what I'm going to do is go to click on the shape. All right. After clicking on the shape, you are going to see
Artlist.io.
fill and stroke here. This is the size of the stroke, and this is the stroke options. You can change it to be either line or dots or caps. I mean, whatever it is that you want to change it. Now I want to change the I want to close the fill. I want to close the fill right here. So if you see, this is no color because I don't want any color. So you just click on the no color, and now all right, so no color, and go for the stroke. Click on the stroke here and then select white. So this is how it's gonna be like, right? Let me give a stroke to this color as well. So I'll select it, and once you select, make sure you click before you click on the shape, and then come back here.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know what is happening. It seems things not right here.
Artlist.io.
Hey, what's happening? Yeah, that's what I'm choosing, right?
Music
But
licensing reimagined.
so right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type here is very important to me. All right, so watch here carefully. All right, watch here carefully. Go for your go for your eclipse tool or the circle tool.
Artlist.io.
All right, come to this option right here. You see this option? Click path, select path. Okay, when you select path, come to the middle.
Music licensing.
And after coming here, put the pointer in the middle, the center of the shape. All right, once you put this the mouse pointer in the middle of the shape, hold your shift and make sure you add Alt to it. Don't forget that I said before you draw, to get the exact shape of the circle, the exact circle that you're looking for, I mean equal size of the circle, you add shift and then Alt key. You hold them together, but make sure you have to hold the Alt before you add the Alt key. So let me show you how it's being done.
Music licensing reimagined.
You see how I did it? I hold shift
Artlist.io.
and then I started to draw. You see, when you hold shift, make sure you try like you are clicking, you are dragging the mouse. Click and drag.
Artlist.io.
Okay, before you hold the hotkey. All right. Don't this it's look like here is bigger than here, or am I?
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, right. Yeah, it seems like okay. So now what I'm gonna do is go for your type tool. All right, then put the cursor. You see, look here carefully. When you put the pointer, you see, look at the difference. When the pointer, the type tool is around any places, look at this, look at here, watch here, watch my hand, look, you see,
Licensing
come here, you see the difference. Look at the difference here. When you put a pointer here, it shows box. You see a box around it, but if you place it here, you see circle. All right, I'm going to teach you the difference. All right, in here, when you type, it will be in a line form.
Artlist.io.
When you type in here, it's going to be in a line form, but when you type here, it's going to be in a circle form, because I have selected a circle. What I choose, you can see here, is a circle. All right, so that is why. So whenever you type in here, all in a circle, but when you type here, it's going to be in a line, because there is no circle right here. Now I'm going to place the type tool on the line and see the difference. Just take a good look at this. Can you see it change? So let's type. So I'm going to type MrJay,
Artlist.io.
MrJay Grafix, MrJay Graphics tutorial.
Music
I'm not a
licensing
good
reimagined.
type. I don't really type fast, so forgive me for that. So I'm going to increase. If you want to increase, after highlighting all the text, come here, put your pointer here, your cursor. When you put a cursor here, just drag it this way.
Artlist.io.
So
Artlist.io.
all right, so right after here, then here you go. So I'm going to change the color to white. So select the color
Music licensing reimagined.
to white. All right, now what I'm going to do is, you see how beautiful it is, right? Very simple, like that. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write a text right here.
Artlist.io.
Okay, And you see that in Photoshop, this thing is very, people find it kind of very difficult, but it's not difficult. Okay, so watch it carefully as I'm walk you through. All right, first of all, select your text.
Music licensing.
Select the text right here, duplicate it. Okay, duplicate it. So for me, if I want to duplicate, I just drag on top of the layer, then automatically it will duplicate that for me. That is the procedure Photoshop uses. Okay, it's in there, you can't change it. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the original one. This is the original and this is the copy, so I'm going to hide this one. And now what I'm going to do is, after selecting the copied one, come to find this this direction selection tool. Find this. Okay, when you select this, the direction path, the direction selection tool, after select that, put the pointer right here. Okay, put the pointer, click and drag it here, anywhere here. All right, now after doing this, put the pointer
Artlist.io.
Hold on. Hold on, there's something going wrong. I'm coming. All right, so okay, so make sure you know when you select the selection tool, you drag it down. Make sure the pointer comes down. All right, because if you send it inside, so like this. Okay, so let's go again, because it's a tutorial, so I need to take you through. All right, this is the original style. All right, now after you come here and select the quick selection tool, all right, place the pointer here. I don't know if you can see, when you place the pointer, you're going to see this arrow. There is this arrow, if you can see. All right, the arrow shows inside. This is the arrow showing. All right, so what you have to do is drag, click, just put the pointer, put the pointer here. I mean, is it cursor or pointer? This thing confuses me. Put the mouse pointer here. All right, this is the pointer. Place the mouse point here, click, drag inside. Make sure you bring it down.
Music licensing reimagined.
Inside. When you bring it down, this is how the text will be upside down. So make sure you take it inside the circle. All right, after taking it inside the circle, then you leave it. All right, so after leaving it, what you have to do is select this one. Okay, so now what we are going to do is select the copied one. This is the down text. Use your mouse pointer.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, your mouse pointer, the arrow, and bring it down. No, if you bring it down, you are going to spoil everything. You see, we are learning. All right, so make sure you select, you select the text, and then you increase the size. All right, just increase it. So just use use your shift and then alt key together. All right, so let's go.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so you just use the shift key and then alt key. You hold it and you select, then you bring it down to get your shape. Now after this, you bring this thing to back. It seems this one is bigger than this one. All right, so what you're going to do is click on the text and see the difference. All right, so when you double click on this, you're going to see the text. This is 32. What about this one? This is 38. So you just change the font to 32.
Reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Right, so here you go. So this is let me type this. This is MrJay Graphics tutorial. Our slogan is
Licensing reimagined.
where designs come to life. It's too long, so where design come to life. So I'm going to where design come to life. Okay, it might not, it will probably not go in there, so let me make it short. So
Licensing reimagined.
where designs come to life. Okay, so you see this is how it's going to be like. let me place kind of, make sure after changing the this, if you want to draw a circle, you have to go back to the circle and change it to shape. All right, let me show you, because if you don't change it, some of you may be confused. This is a shape. All right, let me show you the path, and this is a path. The path doesn't come with a layers. Okay, the path doesn't come with a layer or a stroke or a fill color, but shape come with layers. Look through the layers. When if I draw a circle right here, just watch here what's going to happen here. Oh, it appears. So this is the layer of this is the layer. So a path doesn't come with a layers and a color, a shape. All right, a path doesn't come with a shape, but a stroke, a shape does. This one come with color. Any color that you have chosen, it will come, but the path doesn't come with a shape. All right, so put that in mind. So this is how you got your circle logo. So let me get rid of the rulers so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is how, if somebody asks you to draw this kind of logo for him or her, I'm sure you'll be able to draw. Just make sure you use very kind of a very good font, that will very good font, because for me, I'm just using this. Let me use this font, Playfair. I'm sure Playfair is a default font so you can choose that for your design. Playfair. Let me change. Let me reduce the size a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
So this is 29 and this one 29, right? Okay. So let me change this one also to Playfair. Right. Seems they are crash. They just crash,
Artlist.io.
If you are pushing this, don't bring it down. If you bring it down, this is how it's going to be like. All right. So make sure you bring it inside. Make sure the pointer is inside. The pointer is inside. Then you leave it.
Music licensing reimagined.
I just want you to understand. That is why I'm repeating it. All right. I keep repeating this for you to understand what I'm really doing. All right. So guys, this is going to be the end of this tutorial. please do me that favor. If today be your first time on my channel, please do subscribe. Please like the videos, please. That is why I'm pleased. I am pleading on you. That is why I'm pleading. Like the video. When you keep liking the video, that tells YouTube to push the video to different people. All right, don't just come and enjoy, don't just come and watch and go, because if you watch and go, you will come and learn something and then go use it, and then if you don't tell people, it's kind of, so if you want to help people more, that is why for me, nobody knows. We are all learning. That is why there is a comment. If there is something that you will draw my attention, or MrJay, if you can also do it this way, it will help. If you can also try to do it this way, it's going to help. We are all learning. Trust me, we are all learning. Nobody knows. We are all learning. So that is why there is a comment below that you put your whatever that the comment, there is a comment. We have criticism. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word. Critics, we criticize. There is criticism. Yeah. Bro, English is not somebody's friend. All right, so if you criticize, I love the critics more than anything. All right, so everything that you don't understand, just draw my attention on, and I'm going to respond to you right away. All right, so do me a favor, subscribe and hit on the notification bell, please. I beg you in the name of God. Turn on the bell. So guys, I'm going to see you guys next time. All right, so thank you so much for being part of my channel. I wish all the new subscribers, you are welcome to the family. All right, so see you guys next time on my next video. Don't forget that Jesus loves you.